Hello sellers, welcome to an informational video on automate pricing. In today's video, we will understand what is automate pricing and how to use it. The price of the product is one of the most influential factors when shoppers are determining whether or not they should purchase the product. Apart from the image and product features, pricing is another key factor to make the purchase decision. What is automate pricing? Automate pricing allows you to automatically adjust your prices on SKUs in your catalog as per the guardrails and rules you set without having to revisit SKUs every time you want to change price. Automate pricing is a convenient way to quickly update the price of your product. Automate pricing allows you to maintain price by setting up predefined automatic pricing rules or by setting up customized pricing rules. All you have to do is set the maximum and minimum price you are comfortable with, and automate pricing will adjust your prices only within the prescribed range. What are the benefits and advantages of using automate pricing? Automate pricing is a convenient way to possibly maintain price competitiveness, which is available to you free of cost. Automate pricing automatically adjusts the prices within your defined price range, and it also helps you in potentially increasing the chances of your offer being displayed as a featured offer and potentially getting higher sales. Let's move ahead and understand different rules under automate pricing. There are 3 different rules: best price rule, competitive price rule, and rule based on sales. Best price rule. This rule helps you match the best price available for your product, which is based on factors including featured offer eligible prices, similar product prices, and historical selling prices. Competitive price rules. You can choose between competitive buy box and competitive lowest price rules. These rules allow you to match or beat featured offer or lowest price offer on Amazon based on sales units. Using this rule, you can decrease the price of your SKU based on your sales target. Let's begin how you can create this rule under automate pricing. From your Seller Central dashboard, go to the pricing tab and select automate pricing. We will now start by using a predefined rule which is created for your ease. For this demonstration, we will focus on predefined best price rule by Amazon. To start, on the automate pricing page, click on edit SKUs next to best price rule by Amazon. After that, add SKU on the rule by adding minimum price and maximum price. This is the price range between which automate pricing will operate, so enter these correctly. Now, click on Take Action and select the rule name under which you want to assign the SKU. In this case, for demonstration, we are using Best Price Rule by Amazon. Once you assign to the rule, then repricing will start working on the SKU. Now we will show how to create a customized rule. Start by clicking Create Custom Pricing Rule on Automate Pricing page. Select the rule type which you want to use and enter a name for the rule. Select Marketplaces. You can set up a pricing rule for all marketplaces. For India, you need to use Amazon.in. Define rule parameters. Here you can define rule parameters such as matching or staying lower or above the desired criteria price. The rule parameters vary based on the rule type you have chosen. Select Yes, I want to continue repricing to avoid pausing of automate pricing, and click on Save this rule in Amazon.in. Proceed further by clicking on Proceed to SKU selection. Continue to add SKUs to your preferred automate pricing rule. Automate pricing also helps you potentially in managing large catalog with bulk upload option. You can also refer to the bulk upload video on Seller University. Thank you and happy selling!